Lecture 62. Have you ever wondered what drives every living creature on this planet? The answer is simple: survival and reproduction. From the smallest microbe to the most sophisticated human being, these two fundamental instincts shape our existence. Surviving and reproducing may seem like a complex process, but in reality, they boil down to three basic needs: food, water, and warmth. All technologies, from the most primitive tool to the most advanced AI, contribute to these basic needs. When resources are abundant, life gradually improves. However, when resources are scarce, we tend to revert to our basic habits, prioritizing survival and reproduction over the luxuries of civilization. In a world where resources are abundant, population growth naturally follows. But what happens when resources become scarce? Poverty, a state natural to nature, takes hold. This can lead to wars and a reduction in birth rates. In such times, we turn to more modest, costly but truly clean technologies. Today, most of our energy comes from petroleum products, which are anything but clean. However, the harsh reality is that cheap energy gives a competitive advantage. If some countries exploit this advantage, others are likely to follow, regardless of the environmental impact. This only serves to lower oil prices and make them more attractive to others. As a result, oil continues to be used, and alternative technologies merely add to the energy mix, accelerating population growth and exacerbating future crises. In times of crisis, survival instincts kick in. We tend to resort to drastic measures and technologies, neglecting the risk. But we are not enemies of nature. We are its most intelligent and humane part, and our primary goal is to survive without freezing. But nature also has its survival mechanisms. As our population grows and our needs for heat and production increase, the planet warms up. We are living in the ice age, and most creatures will not survive the coming winter. But the sun will continue to heat the planet. Life will bloom again, populating previously uninhabited areas such as Antarctica, while deserts receive moisture from melting ice. The century of our civilization is a brilliance in history, a flame on the planet, flared up in an instant. We must maintain it until the sun provides enough energy to transition to global equilibrium. The peak of oil production is nearing, signaling a new battle between strength and reason. We are microbes living on the planet's metallic core. Our oxygen takes billions of years to transform rust into soil. We can kill not nature, but ourselves. Almost all of nature is single-cell biomass, which requires embodiment in better forms. Without coping with her instincts, people will shorten their lives for the sake of the population. Only consciousness can cope with instincts, and everything else is just another marketing deception.